vertical line test allows us to determine from a graph whether or not the graph is a graph of a function. Now recall that a function takes an input value and it returns exactly one output value. And so we can use this fact to determine whether or not a graph is actually a graph of a function. We're thinking of x as the possible input values, and so if the graph is a graph of a function, then for any given value of x, there must be exactly one value of y. And we can determine whether or not that's true by basically drawing vertical lines. So if you look at this graph on the left-hand side, we can see that for this particular input value a, there's exactly one output value where this vertical line crosses the graph. And you can see also that no matter where we draw vertical lines, in other words, no matter what input value x that we might choose, there is still exactly one output value. And so this curve on the left is in fact a graph of a function. That contrasts with the graph on the right. Here we can see that for some input values x, if we were to draw a vertical line, there is exactly one output value, but for others, for example the value a here, there are two output values. And so this is not the graph of a function because it is not true that for every given input there's a single output.